Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 Land Rover Discovery Sport. This is the S model. Honestly, this thing is a good amount of fun. I like it a lot. Very, very nice spec. Step inside. This is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 246 horsepower, made it to the 9-speed automatic. Steering wheel heated. Button to control that right here. Very nice leather wrapped. This dash is soft touch material. It's not leather, it's like a cloth leather. It's really kind of an interesting material, but everything here is soft touch, even down here, which is nice as, you know, you kind of rest your leg up against it. Oh, USB-C, micro SD card. Good amount of charging here. Oh wow, that goes a good way. Oh, you can even, haha. That's a pretty good idea. I like that. There we go. Glove box. There we go. Into drive. If you want to change your fan speed, push that button there. That changes that. You push it to change heated seats, and if it was so equipped, cooled seats. This changes your drive mode. You have mud ruts, all that fun stuff. We'll go right into comfort, auto terrain. Yeah, comfort. Perfect. And we'll deactivate that. Turn the fan off a little bit. There we go. Your buttons for auto start, stop, off. There, downhill descent control. Actually, that's pretty cool. I think that also monitors the angle that you're at. This gauge cluster, very, very unique. First time I've really seen a combination of analog and digital. So if you look at the gauges, you see it's all analog and then switches to digital. Same thing with the RPM. That is pretty cool. You hit this and you can see that changes every time you hit it. You can go through all separate settings, then when it changes into audio controls. So, pretty cool. We're in drive. Let's go for a drive. This also has heated windshield. You'll notice. Seriously? It's gonna make me buckle all those up. Probably registered that they were buckled. So if I had shut the car off and restarted it, then we wouldn't have had an issue. But I'm not listening to that the whole way into work. This one has 30,000 miles on it, 30,208 as we speak. In great shape. No complaints at all. I do like the seating position. You're definitely in an up high seating position. Obviously I have the seat in the lowest setting just because that's the way I like all my cars. That 9-speed automatic, I'm actually very impressed with. I haven't had any clunks or weird shifts, anything like that. It also doesn't do weird kickdowns at random times, like some transmissions I've spent time with. So I'm overall impressed with it. I've said multiple times that a bad transmission can ruin a great car, and this is not the case here. The handling section, you can pop the transmission to the left to activate sport mode. Do wish there were paddle shifters behind the wheel, but again, this isn't a sports car. Though it does handle like one. Handling is not bad at all. You got Scorpion Zero all-season tires on this one. Pretty sure that's OEM equipment. Pirelli Scorpion Zero all seasons. Very good tire. I had did I ever put them on my Scat Pack? I don't think I did. I think I put the Pirelli all season, not Scorpion Zeros. Ride comfort, perfect mixture between sports and comfort. Obviously I didn't take this thing off-roading, but I'm very curious to see what it would have been like. Because obviously with all the drive modes, you don't have a sport mode, but you have a bunch of off-road modes, and obviously being a Land Rover, they're gonna be pretty capable. Overall, man, this is a good car. This is a good car. Definitely glad I spent the night with it, spent some time in it, drove it around, got used to it. You know, the looks are very, very good, especially all blacked out like this one. I mean, it's not bad at all. And for the bass sound system, stereo sounds good. Without further ado, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. That was a weird ending. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.